Now, this is another big development that is now taking place when it comes to countering terrorism. The BLA, which is also the Balochistan Liberation Army, has now, and its alias, the Majid Brigade, has now been designated as a foreign terrorist organization. This has now been announced by the U.S. Department of State, as the U.S. has now designated the Balochistan Liberation Army as a terror group, and this is now coming in as a development. The BLA, which is also known as the Majid Brigade, is fighting for an independent Balochistan, which is a southwest province in Pakistan, bordering Afghanistan to the north and Iran to the west. Let's get in a word from Srinjoy again. Srinjoy, BLA now being designated as a terror organization, what does it mean?
You would have expected that, considering General Field Marshal Munir has been in Washington and has had lunch with President Trump. Now, the BLA is actually getting stronger almost every day, and it has cost the Pakistan army enormous casualties. So what the BLA has done has hurt the Pakistani army, has hurt the Pakistani security forces, and as a result, Pakistan was very keen that the BLA was designated a terror organization. And now, as a result of Field Marshal Munir's access to Washington and access in Washington, this has happened. Now, to what extent this will stop the BLA or this will weaken the BLA remains to be seen.
All right.
Because at this point, it's a very strong force and is extending and troubling the Pakistani armed forces.
All right, please to stay on with us, Srinjoy. Let's get in a word from Ambassador Fabian, who's also connected with us. Sir, good morning to you. As far as BLA is concerned, now, of course, the Field Marshal of Pakistan seems to be there in the United States. This development is coming at a time, but it cannot be put at par as far as TRF also being designated as a terror organization. However, the BLA is concerned, the group aims to fight for liberation of Balochistan from the state of Pakistan.
Good morning. This is a gain for Field Marshal Munir, because Pakistan Army has been unable to take care of the rebellion by the BLA, and as already pointed out, but in Balochistan they don't want to be part of Pakistan. They are mineral rich, they feel exploited. In any case, they believe that Pakistan is Punjabi dominated. So this is something which American administration has done to favor Pakistan.
Absolutely, because this development is now coming at a time when the BLA has been blaming Pakistan and its army for exploitation and for institutionalized marginalization as well. Thank you very much, Mr. Fabian, for joining in. This development is coming at a time, Pratibha, when the failed Field Marshal of Pakistan is in the United States.
That's right, Amita, and the U.S. Department of State has issued a statement on BLA being tagged a terrorist organization. Here's what it goes on to say. Today, the Department of State is designating the Balochistan Liberation Army, the BLA, and its alias, the Majid Brigade, as a foreign terrorist organization, and adding the Majid Brigade as an alias to BLA's previous specially designated global terrorist designation. BLA was designated as an SDGT in 2019 following several terrorist attacks. Since 2019, the BLA has claimed responsibility for additional attacks, including by the Majid Brigade. In 2024, BLA claimed it committed suicide attacks near the airport in Karachi and Gwadar Port Authority complex, and then mentioning the attack in 2025 as well, where the BLA claimed responsibility for the March hijacking of the Jafar Express train traveling from Quetta to Peshawar, killing 31 civilians. Today's action by the Department of State demonstrates the Trump administration's commitment to countering terrorism. Terrorist designations play a critical role in our fight against this scourge and an effective way to curtail support for terrorist activities. It ends by saying today's actions are taken pursuant to Section 219 of the Immigration and Nationality Act as amended. So FTO designations go into effect upon the publication in the Federal Register.
All right, Pratibha, thank you very much for that update.